Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
Washing machines bang because they're unbalanced during the spin cycle. To fix this fast, make sure the machine is level and the load is evenly spread. Don't overload it or wash bulky items by themselves. Also, check and tighten any loose bolts or feet. These quick steps stop banging and protect your machine from damage.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.